Unlock your future in the world of technology. Welcome to Medha XL, the land of IT.
Right now, thousands of people are pouring time and money into IT boot camps and intensive training programs. They are mastering Python, cloud architecture, and cybersecurity, expecting these skills to act as a direct path to a new career. There is a common belief in the industry that acquiring a specific technical skill is a golden ticket. In this mindset, if you check the technical box, a high-paying job is the inevitable result. But the market is delivering a much harsher reality. Completing a training program in a specific technology does not guarantee a job opportunity. Many certified candidates eventually hit a wall. Despite having the exact qualifications listed in the job description, their applications are met with automated rejections or complete silence. Employers apply hidden, non-technical filters to screen for attributes a certification cannot prove, rejecting one-dimensional candidates. To bypass this barrier, we must look at those missing components. What specific traits are employers actually searching for? Technical mastery is the price of admission. It gets you into the room, but the hiring decision itself is made on an entirely different set of metrics. To see what those metrics are, we have to look at the daily reality of a modern tech company. These are not isolated environments. They are high-speed, collaborative hubs. This creates what experts call the employability gap, the space between knowing how a technology works and knowing how to function within a professional organization. Hiring managers aren't looking for human calculators who can only execute code in a vacuum. They want well-rounded candidates who can integrate their technical knowledge into the broader goals of the business. The first requirement to bridge this gap is communication. A candidate must be able to present complex technical concepts in a way that makes sense to a marketing manager, a client, or a CEO. They also need to demonstrate interpersonal dynamics, the ability to solve problems as a team, navigate differing opinions, and maintain a focus on the project's success rather than just their own task. If a candidate cannot clearly explain their work to their teammates, their technical expertise becomes a bottleneck for the entire company. This is where theory meets practice. It is the environment where a candidate has to prove they can apply what they learned in a textbook to a messy, real-world scenario. This requires a proof of concept. Employers look for practical project experience, tangible evidence that you've built something, broken it, and fixed it within a team setting. They also look for a commitment to continuous learning. In an industry that changes every few months, the ability to independently master new tools is more valuable than any single certificate. This radar chart compares two profiles. One candidate spikes high on technical stats alone, while the second forms a wide, balanced polygon. Managers prioritize this balance, favoring candidates who reduce team friction and demonstrate true workplace readiness. A candidate's value is established through their projects and their personality, not just their test scores. In the modern IT landscape, the people who thrive are those who recognize that technical skills are only one part of the journey. The old image of the isolated techie is no longer relevant. Success now belongs to the collaborative problem solver who can navigate both the server room and the boardroom. Because employers prioritize well-roundedness, a candidate with slightly less technical experience but superior communication and teamwork skills often has a significant advantage in the hiring process. This requires a shift in how job seekers spend their time. Increasing the chances of career success means investing as much effort into personality and professional skill development as into the technology itself. Developing these interpersonal skills isn't a side project. It requires the same rigorous practice and attention to detail as learning a new language or a complex framework. Real success in IT is found at the intersection of technical expertise and human connection. By bridging that gap, you turn a simple certification into a sustainable career.